In this video, I'll show you how to remove distractions from YouTube and how to disable recommended videos on YouTube. Let's get started. Open the YouTube app. Click on the three dots next to any recommended video and select Not Interested. Or select Don't recommend this channel to prevent future content from a particular content creator. If you want to reset YouTube recommendations for your account, follow this guide. Tap on your profile picture. Tap on the Settings gear icon. Tap on Manage All History. Tap Delete. Select Delete All Time. Tap Delete. Tap Got It. Tap on the back arrow. Select your data in YouTube. Scroll down. Tap on YouTube Watch History. Tap Turn Off. Tap Pause. Tap on the back arrow. Scroll down. Tap on YouTube Search History. Tap Turn Off. Tap Pause. Tap on the back arrow. Tap on the back arrow again. Scroll down. Select Notifications. Turn off Recommended Videos. And that's it. This is how you can disable recommended videos on the YouTube app.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.